Okay. Page 277. Now what you can see on page 277 is first of all the interesting paragraph. It says, power stations are able to change the chemical energy of fuel, that's what we're burning in the chain, into electrical energy. Most power stations burn fossil fuels. Fossil fuels tip through the large furnace and oxygen is then forced into the furnace. The burning fuel gives out a large amount of thermal energy. The thermal energy is then used to boil water, which turns into steam. The steam is forced along the pipes to make powerful jets in which hit the blades of the turbine. The turbine turns a shaft in the generator and then electricity is made. So the same basic thing that we're doing here. And if you look at the diagram at the bottom, you can see they've got the fuel arriving by the lorry. Well, in our case it's a bit smaller, so it's arriving by Mr. Dyson's hand. It's going into the furnace. Now again, in a power station this would be mass fed in because we're producing a huge amount of power. The water is piped in, not poured in by a small little bucket, but otherwise it's the same. And then you can see from the furnace there's a set of pipes there going to the cooling tower, okay, and going to the turbine. Well, we don't have a turbine, what we've got is a piston, but it's doing effectively the same thing. And then the generator is a generator, okay?
Except a massive one then.
Yeah. It's disproportionately large, isn't it? But it works the same. Okay, if you turn the page, it says efficiency of power stations. Okay?
Can I read it?
The efficient, I was going to read through it. Efficiency of power station describes how much energy is released from a certain amount of fuel. No power station is 100% efficient, and they always lose some energy from the fuel they're using. Some power stations are more efficient than others. Gas power stations are about 50% efficient, and that's the power stations we use. Electricity generated from power stations must be transferred to homes and factories where it's needed. Most concern network power cables leading from power stations to small substations then to homes and factories. And these power cables are often carried overhead from power stations to the substation. Now, in fact, that's what we're getting here by the stuff that's coming to the vault here. So, Thomas, you need to calm down. Okay? Now, your job today, very simply, okay, while we're getting on with this, I'm going to pass out your books if I've got them. What I would like you to do is put the date, which is the 25th, the title, which is generating electricity from fuel. I'd like you to copy down your own version of that. You can look at that one from here, okay? And then to attempt the questions on page 279. Now, if this gets up to steam, I'll stop you at that point and I'll show you what's happening here, and then we'll finish this later. Okay? But this is, guys, this is going to take quite a while to pressurise the water. Yeah. About 22. Yeah. Well, you copy that or you simplify it. It's still the same. Okay?
As you can tell, that's not funny. Ow, with my hair!
Diagrams copy down, and then once you've done this, please, I've got questions. Now, I'll keep an eye on this one. Stephen.
Hello, Jago. Oi. This engine that gives off steam. Exactly.
Title: Generating electricity from fuel. Date: 25th.
Generating electricity. 20. I'll get to the page. I'll get to the page.
Diagram here of power station. Title, which is using generating electricity from a fuel. Copying out the diagram of the power station. Yeah. And then questions on the next page, page 289, 279. So she's got one arranged, she's just collected.
We have to label our diet.
And I'll ask for a house cake.
We have to label it. So I have your house.
Yes, you have to put the whole section you need to label.
That's a big
Yes, it might be
Guys, try and keep the diagram sweet, it is an important process.
Can I please collect a PowerPoint? Can I please collect a PowerPoint? Look at this, is it? No, is it? It's your question. I don't see what to put them on. You would do.
A little bit, because you can see it's turning. So there isn't much. Oh yeah. Still warming the water quite slowly.
Why can't we just stick one under it now?
I will if we need to, but I just want to see.
Speed up the process now.
Kind of like
That was so cool, but I'll tell you it's too short first.
I went to a Tuesday.
Did you? What's the height? That's so cool. Oh yeah, you posted a picture. Yeah. You don't need a room. They have 39. Power station is great. It has bubbles in it.
I'm ignoring all of it, so that's just how these are useful.
Yeah, Ollie. Okay. You still recording it on your phone? Isn't that recording every second where we'll say it? Isn't that going to take up the whole storage of your phone? Why? You're going to be recording it for like 45 minutes.
Yeah, that's okay. It'll take a couple of hours of storage on it.
How much?
5, 6 hours.
What? In that, it doesn't have any active. Do we have to iterate it during these? Because I'm not. It's not. How do you animate? What's the time now? I've made mine. This Dyson, what's the
I've now
time?
got a Samsung and a Nelly phone.
This Dyson, what's the time? 5 minutes left.
It's really fun. You have no idea. I went on it. It's so funny, like you were so easy around corners. You have to wear goggles. You have to wear goggles.
You have to wear goggles.
Like his eyes
Oh my god. I've had a lot of fun on my nose for 3 hours.
like this one's like, don't be stupid.
No, that wasp.
Yeah, the wasp.
Went down into his mouth and he had it in his mouth.
I think a wasp was
Cabby,
in my nose.
what are you doing?
This one was like, don't be stupid. Then as he said that, he coughed it out.
Yeah.
Break the ground.
I don't have any. Yeah, I pitch it.
Draw the diagram on page 277.
Oh my god. I said it, and then I answered. Oh, did you? Yeah, that was guys, don't have fun. Yeah, you can take a fly. My father told me. Did you think?
You heard that song?
Yeah. Oh, sorry, I don't.
Oh! How?
No.
Oh, sorry.
I listened to music.
It's a FIFA song.
No, it isn't.
No,
What is the difference between a turbine and a generator? The turbine turns the heat into power. Turbine moves. Anyway, you said I didn't play FIFA. Uses power. What time is it?
10 to 2, why? What time do you
We're
have
gonna
to
go have to leave now.
Okay.
Bye. You miss us too much. Oh look, we just got. Yeah, let's do the whistle.
So the whistle's playing, so we've got some pressure on there.
Yeah. Shall we leave up escaping? Where are you? Where are you?
We'll let that run for a second. Thomas, do I just come out? No, it's on Or go, go. I don't have to edit that bit out. Anyway.
How fast that's going?
Okay. Now if we take that and we attach the generator out and we start it, what we should get
How
chair.